Hello friends, welcome to Mysterious Tales X. Today we're diving into a cosmic question, whose echo might be older than the Big Bang itself. How is this universe so stable, so balanced, so calm, and perfectly organized? How does everything run with such exact precision that no chaos has taken over in billions of years? Just think about it. A small house falls apart without management. A city collapses without rules. But the entire universe? For 13.8 billion years, it has been running in perfect harmony. Why? Where did this balance come from? Is it all just a cosmic accident? Or is there an invisible force working behind the curtain? And that is today's mystery. Let's start from the very moment the universe was born, the Big Bang. In that instant, not just energy exploded, but every cosmic rule came into existence. How strong gravity will be, what the speed of light will be, how particles will move, how stars will form, what mass planets need to stay stable. Everything was set right at that moment. If gravity had been different by even 0.00001%, the entire universe would have either collapsed immediately, or stars would never have formed. Imagine this. If the expansion of the universe had been even slightly slower, it would have collapsed under its own weight if it had expanded a little faster. Particles would have drifted so far apart that stars could never form. This is such precise tuning that even the greatest scientists are stunned. Now let's talk about the dance of stars. The sun is the king of our solar system. Its gravity holds everything together. Every planet moves like it's tied by an invisible string. Not an inch higher, not an inch lower. Earth orbits in the exact zone where life is possible. If Earth's speed changed by even 1 kilometer per second, we would either fall into the sun or drift into freezing darkness. And it's not just Earth. Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Neptune. Every planet spins and orbits at exactly the angle and speed it needs. No collisions. No runaway orbits. It's as if an invisible clock is keeping tight watch over everything. Now the moon. The moon isn't just beautiful, it stabilizes Earth. If the moon were slightly lighter or heavier, Earth would wobble wildly on its axis. Our seasons would be chaotic. A 24-hour day could become 10 hours. Or 40 hours. Life would collapse. Then comes the sun itself. The sun is unbelievably stable. For thousands of years, its power output barely changes. If the sun shined just 5% brighter, Earth would burn. If it dimmed 5%, Earth would freeze, but it doesn't. It stays perfectly stable. Now zoom out to the galaxy. The Milky Way is a dance of billions of stars. Each one moves exactly according to its mass. At the center lies a supermassive black hole, holding the entire galaxy together. Without it, the Milky Way would scatter like dust in the wind. And then there is dark matter. We can't see it, but it makes up 95% of the universe. Dark matter is like an invisible skeleton, holding galaxies in place. Without it, stars would fly apart in every direction. Now pause for a moment. So many rules, so many balances, everything tuned with perfect precision. Can all of this really be a coincidence? Or is the universe a highly advanced design? Maybe the universe is a giant physics engine. Maybe a super intelligent force created it. Maybe it's part of a much bigger pattern that we haven't understood yet. Or maybe We are just tiny characters in a much larger story. The balance of the universe is so mysterious that the more we learn, the more questions arise. But two things are clear. First, the universe didn't form like a random explosion. It formed like a blueprint. Second, if this balance ever breaks, even for 1 second, everything ends. But it doesn't break, it runs with the same precision, as if an unseen hand holds it together every moment. If you enjoyed this deep cosmic journey and want to explore more such mysteries, hit like, subscribe to the channel, and I'll meet you again with another hidden secret of the universe, only on Mysterious Tales X.